Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today we're super excited. We got some LED headlight bulbs for the Mercedes E-Class W211 here, guys. The E-Class from 2003 to 2009. Ours doesn't have the xenon headlights, so we want to install LED light bulbs. And now you have to check your state's regulations, country regulation, what's legal, what's not. But where we live, okay, if you have a projector, you can install LED headlight bulb. For low beams, we have projectors, so that's legal where we live. And here, high beams, you don't have projectors, so you cannot install LEDs there, it's illegal. So those are the bulbs that we got. Okay, that's the company, we used them in the past, pretty happy with their product. Okay, and this is the bulb itself, you can see. So let's go ahead, okay, install one, see how it looks, how bright it is, and what's the difference compared to a regular non-LED bulb. Alright guys, we'll demonstrate on the right side. So we'll need to turn that cap, okay, pull it out, and then we'll get to the bulb. You'll see in a minute. That's the bulb. And you should never touch the bulbs with your fingers, the glass part, the new bulbs, because the oil from your fingers will make them burn fast. If you do that, you always have to clean them with alcohol. Okay, so this is the bulb now. Let's go ahead, all we have to do is just pull it out of there. Okay, it's almost there now. Those are usually pretty tight. Okay, this is the regular bulb now. Okay guys, so we installed it, but to be honest with you, they don't fit good. You have to do quite a bit of modification. And if you mess it up, you need to buy a new plug, new wire for the bulbs. So that's why I don't want to show you what we did. It's not so good, but I want to show you how they work and if it's worth it to do that. So stay with us, we're going to turn it on now just to see what you think about it. Okay, so this is LED side now. Okay, this is the LED. This is non-LED light. So you can see it has quite a bit of difference. It's brighter. Okay, whiter light. Okay, there as well. But to be honest with you, it looks like the factory bulb is better. It has better light than the LED for some reason. Okay, check it out. I mean, it's light, but the pattern is not exactly the same for some reason, and it's not as bright. So we'll definitely recommend staying with factory bulbs. Maybe buy original brighter bulbs, but we'll definitely not recommend the LED for this model, guys. So, but that's what it looks like if you're wondering. So you know, you have an answer to the question. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.